Hi guys, I'm C2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is a video of single pin picking another Yale vintage padlock. I got a package through the post the other day from my good friend BM Frank. He sent me 3 vintage locks, including this lovely Yale. I've got a few of these. Frank knows I like them, due to like all the engraving that's around them. I just think they're fantastic looking locks, and I have a few of these in my little collection. It would not SPP first. I literally had to put my tension wrench in and with a short hook zip across the pins, then SPP afterwards. Once it was open, the plug stuck round, put a bit of WD-40 in there, and it single pin picks quite well now. Still a bit of grime in it internally, that is. I don't want to clean the outsides up, but lovely look. I'll start picking at the back of this, work to the front, get a couple of little drops every now and again. I think it's due to still bits of grime around there in the plug, but I'm quite chuffed it SPPs. So start at the back, work to the front, plus a bit of a bounce every now and again seems to help. Notice pin 1 every now and again pops back up. There you go. See, it's picked but shackle not fully out, again due to a bit of grime. It's not key retaining, I don't think, even though that sort of plug stays round. Again, that's grime. Don't have a working key for it, so I'm unsure. That's locked back up. As I say, I've got a few of these. Just quickly show you a couple. That's another nice one got there. In comparison to that, I think this one's about 50mm and I think that's 40. That's a beautiful old Yale. No working key for that either. Do have a working key for this Yale, sent to me by fantastic Old Fast 911 with a few other locks some time ago. I was unsure regarding what this lock could have been used for, and I think Old Fast was. The sort of shackle on the side, sort of, I thought maybe some sort of postal type padlock. But after doing the video to thank Mike, Old Fast 911, for these, a YouTuber, I think it was last week, purchased one of these, and it actually turns out to be a US Army Ordnance ammunition lock. And after he mentioned it, I actually read round sort of there, and it's absolutely spot on. You probably can't see it, the autofocus is absolutely rubbish on my camera, but somewhere along the bottom it says US or A, so it's USA, but it's been sort of blocked out a bit there due to age. But lovely locks. So if you are newbies to lock sport, guys, why not come and visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.